Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of two birds on a porch. Porch? It's one of those. Okay, we ended up right step 50. So yeah, we built whatever this is. So that means that what we need now, put that right there, is two of these, and then one of these rounded circular pieces. Okay. Now this piece goes on this end. And then this piece goes here, and then this piece goes here. And now we have whatever this is. Okay. Moving on. Oh, I could probably cross off the 50 because that note. Oh, okay. Well, I just made a mess of that. Okay, that's gonna be maybe a problem later on. But yeah. Now I need two. What color is that even? What is that, right? Maroon? Do we have Oh, it's brown. Okay, that looks very, very weirdly colored. One, two. Okay. And now they will go right here. And right here. Bam. Okay. And now we're gonna need one of these red pieces that have two more on the side. And then a green piece. And they will go right. Okay. Move it right here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, no, that's correct. Okay, and then we need, oh my gosh, my throat is got right now. A black piece, and then we need a curved piece with a curve on it. And that would be in the, oh, here we are. Yeah, okay. And this piece goes on top of the black piece right there. So now it is just a bit taller, and it goes on the back. Okay. And now after that, I think we need to do the two pieces that are like a curve. And now it is going to go right here. And then we're gonna put another one right here. And now we have a noticeable curve to it. That looks pretty good. If that was a woman, I would love it. Yeah, you got that one? I'm a bit of a joker myself. Okay. Put another little curve piece. Oh yeah. Okay, and now a black piece with no studs. One of these studs. And then an eye piece. Ooh, an eye piece. Now, from this position, I need to put this here. And then the eye goes right here. And then this part goes right here. Then we turn it the right way. And boom, look at that. We actually have like a head now. A noticeable one at least. And then we repeat it Okay. Where is it? This one? Yeah, okay, yeah, that is, okay. And then one more eyepiece here. And we repeat it. Put this here. Put this here. And then put this here. So I'm making sure like looking in the right direction, I guess. I don't think that part really matters though. Okay, and now we grab one of these, and then one of, come on, this, and this, and now we take this, put this piece on it, and then you put this piece here, bam, and now in here, we put this one here. Yeah, it kinda looks like a beat. And now, I bet you could guess what happened next. We take this bird body, and then we drip on the head. Ba-ba-ba-bam! But that was only one bird. But now, yeah, go over here, take this, and put it right here. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be right here. Yeah, okay. Bam. Look at that! Oh wait, no, that's not a good position. It should be right. I'm trying to figure out the best place to look at this. Because it looks pretty good in the picture. I'm just trying to figure out how I would do this. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna hold it up for you. Look at this. Your little birdie on a little porch. I think it's a porch. Because that's what they call it. They call it a porch. So yeah. I could call it what they call it. Too bad. Okay. Grab one of these. And then two of these. Okay. Grab this one. And then this one. And then this one. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Ha ha ha, hey, I don't think I asked you this, guys, but, it's New Year's. So, do you guys have any New Year's resolutions? No? Okay. Well, I don't know. You guys can actually tell me in the comments below, if you have anything related to New Year's. Are you planning to go to the gym? I don't know if you guys go to the gym, but I hope you don't break those New Year's resolutions in like an afternoon. Try to keep up with it. But here's some advice that that our YouTuber gave me. You don't need to wait for an important date to do like a resolution. Just like do it, anytime, any place. You don't have to wait for like an important date. Just like, hey, whenever you can. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. I am not like the best at doing that rule. Like, I am not. But it wasn't my advice, so you can take it. Okay, put this here. Come on, really. I think I did. Come on. The whole piece came off, I think. Got to fix that. Tipped. Oh, come on. Why is that uneven? Right? Okay. And now let me go down here because I dropped a piece. This piece. And now this piece goes on the back. Like this. Okay. And now turning it upside down. You should get one of... Which one are they? Damn, where is it? Oh, here we are. So you grab this down, and then this down. Okay. And then on the bird, we put... Where is it? You know, but organized this base is, it is not that well organized at all. Oh, wait, here we are. Okay, put it this way, and then this way, okay, and then take this piece, put it here, and here. Turning the page. We are now on step 70. Okay. Now we need an L piece. Okay. And now you're going from this POV. And now this piece is higher. And then we get one, where is it? One of these. If anybody knows what these are called, you can tell me. I don't know. Okay. And now you get another L piece. We put it here. So now we have like two L pieces overlaying each other. Okay. And then you put one more right next to it. So now there's an even bigger curve. And then I think this, no wait, there's more L pieces. Okay. But now we have your staircase. Oh my god, this is a glide, and then the way up to the glide. And that'd be pretty cool, but we're actually going to round it out with this. And we do this again over here. Bam. That. Oh yeah. Okay. And then one more tiny bullet right here to make it all straight. Take the birdie, go up here, put this here. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. I think I might actually get done with this one in this video. So yeah, that's actually pretty interesting. I think. Well, I think it is. You guys might think it's a bit cheap. Come on. It is not the right piece. It looks like it. Come on. Twit. Come on, twit, twit. Come on. Okay, yeah, this must be the wrong piece then. Oh, maybe it will work better with this piece. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, no, this is right. It just had this weird top part that looks kinda weird. But, okay, now we add this piece. Oh, look at that. Round hole, round pen. Oh, and then we go over and we put it. Oh, I keep dropping, I'm sorry. And then it goes to. Okay, let me do it on this side. So it could go right here. No, it goes right here. Okay. And now we have one wing, and we have to do that again. Yeah. Now that I know what to do, it will be easier this time. Okay. Where is the other piece? Like that one. Here we are. Damn! Oh, that was so much easier this time. Put that here. We put it on this. Huh. And now I think it's time for the head. Well, actually, I know it's time for the head. They put a little box at the top that shows you what you're building. So yeah, it is the head. Okay, then you grab this piece and this piece. Okay, here and this here, and then on this side you put this here. Okay, then you put this brown part in between. Take this, and now we are going to need a green piece, which will go right here, and a red piece that will go right here. Turning it over, and I need this and this again, and now you'll turn. Man, I bet you guys are getting really annoyed if I keep getting that word incorrectly. And now, put this here. Bam, and bam. And now, turning it over, we put this and this. And now it's time for the eyes. Okay. Second preparation under the all the material for both eyes. Two of these. And then two of these. Okay. One eye here, and then one eye here. Okay. And then grabbing this piece and this piece and one of these. Bam. And bam. Right here. We press down. Look at this little birdie. What is this part? It's weird. What was that part? Oh. Oh my gosh, I thought it was at the bottom. How did I forget about this part? Right here? I must have really forgotten about that. Ooh. Oh, there you go. Why did I added it eventually? I could have just forgotten about it. Bam. And now we grab the birdie and this little pork and we put it on this guide right here. And now him and the little birdie are going to be taken apart because I'm going to have to take this apart to build these two other items. And I would host a vote to be like, oh hey, which one do you want to do last? But you know, I know which one I want to do. I want to do this one last. Or maybe this one actually. So yeah. So with this, I will see you guys next time to clean all this up. Hey, well, the bird just fell out. I'm going to figure this out at some point. I have to go here. And I will see you guys next time. Da 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 da.